learn by seeing and hearing English in action. We won't worry about grammar rules too much. We will focus on understanding what's happening right now. So, what we are doing right now. Think about this. If you want, you can close your eyes. When you see someone doing something, you use words that end in ing form. For example, you are walking, right? I am walking. This is happening right now. She is smiling. She is doing it now. That means she is smiling. They are playing. They are playing right now. This helps us talk about things as they happen. We call this present progressive action. Let's imagine a supermarket trip. Now I'm going to tell you about shopping at the supermarket. Imagine that you are with me. Just imagination, okay? So close your eyes and listen to my words. I am walking into the store. I am seeing many colorful fruits. A woman is picking up apples. She is looking at them carefully. A man is putting oranges into his basket. Now, I am walking to the bakery. The smell of bread is very nice. A baker is putting fresh bread on a shelf. The children are pointing at cakes. They are looking very happy. Next, I am going to the milk section. The refrigerators are making a soft sound. A worker is putting milk on the shelves. People are taking milk and cheese. My cart is getting full. I am going to the checkout. People are waiting in a line. The cashier is scanning the items. So here the scan means reading the price. Okay. To read the price, we use scan, right? I am paying for my food and then I'm going home. See, we just talked about many things happening right now without thinking about the complicated rules. This is how we will learn by doing and saying. So, if you want to practice the same scenario, so as I said earlier, you are already with me in the supermarket. I asked you to imagine, right? So, now let me know about your experience. So if you want to create a video, just create a video and post it in your Instagram tagging BNC Academy. Or if you want to send it directly to me, you have already my WhatsApp number and I'm giving my details in this description and you can send directly to me to get the feedback about your video. So happy practicing. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.